ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and Perplexity are the five AIs I am going to be using today to make this game about the backrooms. I gave the prompt to ChatGPT, making it understand all the roles. Since the roles are ChatGPT is going to be the manager, DeepSeek and Claude will focus on the back end, Gemini will be for the front end, and Perplexity I planned for finding bugs and research purposes, but it does not go as planned for Perplexity. So, to start with, ChatGPT has given me a file structure for the main HTML file, which looks like this, and it has separate sections for each AI's code, which will be very easy to manage since there are separate sections where I have to just paste the codes. Now, it gave a prompt to give it to Claude so it can start making the game, and it just a prompt that tells it to make a basic backrooms area which generates infinitely and works and would be easy to work around with. Now Cloud is done and it works perfectly as it wanted to be, and we have a working backrooms area. It is very bare bones for now, but it works. Next up is DeepSeek. The prompt for DeepSeek that ChatGPT gave is mostly about to add backend, and it will not make a major visual difference. But the things he will add is monster, the monster AI, a sanity system. I will explain the sanity system later because for now it doesn't do much. So you can see the visual change is not uh, noticeable from Claude's version and DeepSeek's version. But for the biggest visual change is now to come. Since now it's turn for Gemini, and ChatGPT cooked a very nice prompt for it, and the results were amazing. Like, look at this. This is the final finished version. V1, the prototype is done. And I thought the post processing were a bit too much, so I toned it down and I asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for Perplexity for now. But GPT said that Perplexity is gonna work for user input. Like when people play this game, they will tell Perplexity how they feel, and Perplexity will tell GPT what to improve upon. And since I have no one to get this tested, Perplexity became that one guy in the group project who's their moral support. For now, the game looked pretty good, but from the inside, in real gameplay, it felt very shallow. So, I noticed a bug that the main monster was just simply not appearing while playing the game at all. So, I spent like half an hour just on that. So, after that, the monster was there, but still the game felt very empty. So, I remembered something from the Backrooms movie that just released. If you have not watched it, then spoilers. But in the movie, there are people called Still Life. They don't do anything, they do not cause harm to the characters there, but their presence itself feels very uncanny. So I tried to do something similar like that, and I added these objects and statues to the game that now feel more, that make the environment feel more fuller, so you don't feel like walking in an empty maze. After that, after all that polishing, the game was close to being finished. So I polished it a bit more. I gave the monster some red eyes, and I gave it a kill mode since before it took very long time for the monster to kill you. But now once it gets in its kill mode, it will come running after you. So once that was done, the and the thing is that like this game is not supposed to be beaten. There's no exit, no safety. You just enter the back rooms, you explore it, and eventually you will die. So, after a whole hour of iterating with Claude and ChatGPT, I present to you. Okay, let's play this game now. So, see, this is a mannequin, one of the still lifes that I added. And I think the monster is right there. It's coming after me now. I'm probably cooked in some time. Till then, let's see what else I can find. You can see as my sanity starts to go down, more of the artifacts on the screen will start to appear more and more. So right now it doesn't look that bad, but see the lights are flickering and the glitch effect is happening. So that is what I'm talking about. And the monster, oh look, there's a door. But this is one of the doors that lead you to nowhere. So this is also a part of the still life, and you can see my sanity has just been decreased a lot. And uh, yeah, he found me. Let's try that again. I want to see if I can find the two statues. There's another form of a still life, which I personally like. It looks very cool. So I will try to see if I can find that uh, before the monster gets to me. So you can see already that my screen is looking so much. This is because of the sanity is going down. Oh, another door. Oh, lead me to nowhere. Oh, that actually scared me. Okay, this is my last attempt. The monster is there. You can see his arm through the wall. Oh, so these are supposed to be chairs, but I did not have a chair model, so it's just like that. Sometimes I think the maze is like changing or something. That's fun. Oh, the monster. Fuck, it's over. I really never thought that the game will turn out with like this, like how it turned out, since it was a web game and web game is very restricted. But I guess if you put AIs only on one jobs for each, they do a pretty good job at it. But even though how great it turned out, and some final features like the footsteps I liked very much, I still have things that I think could be added to the game to make it better. Like an escape sequence, like rooms with doors and things you are trying to escape the monster, but you can only try since there will be no escape. That would be fun. Another thing would be nice will be more type of entities, like not just one monster, but different monsters. That would be cool. And another thing that would add a lot more to the game is adding more sound effects. I did not go into much into sounds for now because that's kind of a headache, but adding more sound effects like especially background music in the back rooms, all that would have made the game feel more alive, I guess. But after all, it's a small game developed only with AIs in about 2 hours. How much can you ask for? So, in conclusion, I'm pretty satisfied, and if you are too, touch that like button appropriately. This game studio of AI is very powerful, I guess. So, comment down below what other games should I make with this studio, or if I should do something totally different with AIs. Also, press that subscribe if you have not, and like, please, man, subscribe it. Till then, I will sleep.